Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming permissions and finding the files. Open Finder now and navigate directly to the folder with the items you want to remove. You should check Downloads and Desktop. Many files pile up there. Once you see the files, select one or multiple entries with Command-click or Shift-click. This gives you control over which stay and which go. Make sure you don't need a backup copy before proceeding, because the next actions will remove them from active storage. With files selected, press Command-Delete or drag them to the trash icon. This stages removal. Open Trash to review. You can use Put Back to restore any file if you change your mind. Once you're certain, choose Empty Trash from the Finder menu or right-click the trash icon and pick Empty Trash. This permanently deletes the items. If you prefer a secure erase, use Finder's Secure Empty option in older Mac OS versions, or enable Now Finish by verifying free space and confirming files are gone. Check storage in about this Mac. If a file resists deletion, quit the app that's using it or force quit from the Apple menu, then try again. As a last resort, you can remove stubborn files with Terminal using RM, but be extremely careful with paths and flags. One typo can delete more than intended. If problems persist, restart or boot into safe mode to release locks. Then repeat the deletion steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.